So today we will be learning how to design furniture for interior designing in AutoCAD. So first of all, I'm selecting line. I've already selected millimeters as the unit, and I've already kept the ortho mode on. Okay, so I've selected line and specifying the first point. Specifying the first point, 2000. And then I'm going to draw a vertical line of around 750. Again 2000. Then I am selecting offset of 100. So since this total length is 2000, okay, first of all let's do some trimming. So I've selected trim. Yeah, trimming is done. Since this whole line was 2000 and I'm already deducted 200 in offset, so remaining is 1800, and I'm going to divide it into 3 equal parts. So 1800 divided by 3 will become 600. So I'm selecting this. Right, done. Now I'm going to draw this rectangle, a rectangular table. I'm selecting line again. So 600. Done. So let's draw these isolated sofas. So again I'm selecting line, and so let's do it. 750, 800, 750. Okay. So again offset. Now again 100. Okay. So let's do some trimming. Okay. So now all I can do is I can select either mirror this entire object, enter, specify first point, and that. Erase source object, no. So I can either do this, there is another option I can choose is block. So all we are going to do create is a block. So I'm going to name it isolated sofa. Okay. uh, I'm selecting converting to block and allow exploding. Okay. Now I have to just do is select the object. Okay. So you So you can see here the block which I selected can be visible. So now I'm going to do is okay. So block has been created. Now all I have to do is I have to select insert here. Since I had already created one before, I had named it sofa. The one I've created now, it is known as isolated sofa. So I'm just going to select the isolated sofa and specify the insertion. So now I'm going to do is insert. So the block has can be seen already. I'm just going to select it. Isolated sofa. Okay. So the sofa has been created over here. Okay. So that's how it is done.